Welcome to the Handed Down Kitchen, where we bring recipes out of the past and back into the kitchen. To celebrate the new year, we've been sharing with you recipes for 3 antique cocktails. So far we've made the Leap Year and the Clover Club, and in this third and final video we'll be showing you the Bronx, a martini cocktail that's been around for as long as the Clover Club and is probably the most recognisable of the 3 today. The recipes we've used are from Cookery Illustrated and Household Management, which was published in 1936. And here the recipes are in the beverages chapter of the book. The Bronx was ranked the 3rd most famous cocktail in the world in 1934 after it was featured in the movie The Thin Man. And to make it, you need the following ingredients: vermouth, gin, orange juice, and some ice. To start with, empty your ice into a cocktail shaker and then just pour in the right amounts of each drink. So starting with the gin, you add half a cocktail glass full, which is about 60 millilitres. Then a quarter of a cocktail glass, which is about 30 millilitres each, of vermouth and orange juice. You can either use sweet or dry vermouth. The recipe we're using doesn't specify, so it's entirely up to you. As we already had some Martini Rosso, which is a sweet Italian vermouth, that's what we've used. Put the lid back onto your cocktail shaker and shake it up before pouring into your glass. Depending on who you ask, this cocktail was either created by Johnnie Solan, a bartender of the Manhatten Hotel, or Joseph S. Sormani, a Bronx restaurateur, around 1900. And finally, to top it off, add a cocktail stick with either a maraschino cherry if you have used a sweet vermouth, or an olive or cocktail onion if you've used a dry vermouth. And there it is! The Bronx Martini cocktail, the last of our trio of 1930s cocktails. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please leave us a like, and if you'd like to see us recreate more antique recipes, be sure to subscribe to our channel. You can also find full instructions for this recipe and many more on our website, linked in the description box below.